Hello children, today we are going to start chapter 5 and its name is Weather and Climate. So by showing you this picture, I want to ask that which season's weather you like the most, summer, monsoon or winter? I like the winter most. Which one do you like? And which games you love to play in different seasons? Pool party during summer, playing during rain, or playing winter games. So children, as we are aware, some days are hot, some days are cold, some are windy, and some are rainy. And sometimes it is sunny in the morning and rainy in the afternoon. So now we are aware that changes in the atmosphere over a short time is known as weather. And now what is climate? The regular pattern of weather that a place has over a long time is called a climate. So we can see with an example that North India has a cold climate. As you can see in this picture, Ladakh has a cold climate. Houses here are built to get a lot of sunlight. And in this picture, Kerala in South India has a wet climate. Here houses have sloping roofs so that the rainwater can flow away easily. So now we have learned that weather can change, but climate does not change for a long time. So with a clear difference between weather and climate, we can see here weather changes every day, whereas the climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. Second, weather conditions in the morning may be different from that in the evening. And in climate, different parts of the world have different climate. So, here is an activity of a weather report for you. Nowadays, every smartphone has a weather report inbuilt. So, you have to note down a week's weather report of random 5 different places and have fun. You can see in this picture, we have a week's report of a city, of a random city. So you have to collect 5 different places weather report and have lot of fun. Thank you.